protozoan parasite that causes intestinal disease called Giardia. Giardia lamblia, also known as Giardia intestinalis, is one of the most common parasites affecting humans and animals. It is found worldwide, especially in places with contaminated water sources. In this presentation, I will discuss its morphology, host, taxonomy, mode of transmission, symptoms, life cycle, diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. So Giardia has two main forms. First, we have trapezoid, the active feeding stage. It is pear-shaped, has two nuclei that look like eyes, and uses flagella to move the intestines. Second, we have cyst, the infective protective stage. It is oval, thick-walled, and can survive long periods in cold water and harsh environments. This cyst is responsible for spreading the infection. Giardia lamblia can infect a wide range of hosts, but the most common are humans and animals, such as dogs, cats, cattle, and beavers. Because of this, Giardia is considered a genetic disease, meaning it can spread between animals and humans. Then the parasites mainly spreads through the fecal-oral route, which means ingesting cysts that came from contaminated feces. This can happen through drinking contaminated water, eating contaminated food, and also poor hygiene practices and person-to-person contact, especially in children. Next is Giardia lamblia belongs to kingdom, which is Protista, phylum which is Metamonada, class Zoomastid-Oporia, order Diplomonadida, family Hexamelidae, genus Giardia, and lastly species which is Lamblia. So some people may have no symptoms, but common signs of Giardia include watery or greasy diarrhea, stomach cramps, bloating, nausea, weight loss, and fatigue. These symptoms occur because the parasite damages the small intestine, affecting nutrient absorption. Next, we have Giardia's life cycle and has simple two stages. Cysts are ingested from contaminated food or water. Inside the small intestine, the cysts transform into trapezoids which multiply and attach to the intestinal walls. Some trapezoids become cysts again and are passed out through the feces. This is contaminate the environment and infect new hosts. Giardia is diagnosed using stool microscopy, antigen detection, and PCR for confirmation. These identify Giardia DNA and are used for more precise detection. And Giardia is usually treated with antiparasitic medications such as metronidazole. It is commonly prescribed drugs, and then tinidazole. This is a single dose alternative. So to prevent Giardia, we should drink clean, filtered, or properly boiled water. Wash hands regularly with soap and water. Avoid swallowing water from lakes, rivers, or swimming pools. Wash fruits and vegetables properly, and then practice proper